Zambia's internal power struggles have reportedly intensified in Manicaland, with former Zimbabwe National Army ZNA Commander Lieutenant General retired Anselm Sanyatwe and his close associates increasingly targeted over his perceived allegiance to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Salamina mashuko buda panguwa ina konkonz aiwa Sanyatwe is under attack. Panguwa ino is factional wars are escalating. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina munamuda nyingwa mchenzi. Sanyatwe, who was removed from his post in the army by President Emerson Mnangagwa ahead of a planned protest by war veteran Blessed Runezugeza on 31 March, is said to be at the center of a factional peg, which is stated by Mnangagwa loyalists. In the latest development, such security agents from the Central Intelligence Organization CIO, in conjunction with the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority ZIMRA, shut down 7 branches of Madadalikwa, an enterprise owned by Sanyatwe's son-in-law, Danmo Mambondiani. The raids carried out last week in Harare have raised suspicions of political persecution, particularly as the outlets were not given the chance to regularize operations, a standard procedure in normal enforcement cases. Mambondiani, who also serves as ZANU-PF Youth League Deputy Secretary for Administration, has previously faced scrutiny. His fuel company, Liquid Cargo, recently came under fire over contested allegations that its fuel had damaged customers' vehicles, though the claims were widely dismissed as politically motivated. Party insiders allege that the clampdown is part of a broader strategy by Mnangagwa's allies to neutralize figures loyal to Chiwenga in the succession race ahead of the 2028 elections. Sanyatwe is widely believed to back Chiwenga's presidential ambitions, positioning him as a threat to Mnangagwa's camp. Sources cited by Newsday claim the crackdown was orchestrated by senior ZANU-PF officials from Manicaland aligned with Mnangagwa, including David Monowenyu, the chief executive of Discovery Ambulance Services, a company believed to be linked to controversial cleric Hubert Angel. Monowenyu is accused of collaborating with intelligence operatives to undermine Sanyatwe's influence by targeting his family's businesses. Do mashuko arikuda pangwa ina chonkonzi Sanyatwe pangwa ina opinda mawan. Mboto zemba funguro enyo matukudipa msuru pe chitu kwesh. Mina kuma section medu zemba funguro enyo. Sana subscribe or like chitu on the bell icon.